There. Just don't make the bed move.
Okay, ready? Stop, ready? Stop.
Do that again, ready?
Wait, ready? Cup your hand, no, I have an idea, we can rub it together. Cup your hand over your mouth like this, like, and say girl over and over again.
I was born in a heart shirt.
Oh no, it fell.
Whoa. Probably not.
When it came on the strip, I didn't expect much. I thought I'd come here with a bunch of sluts. I thought I'd get drunk and maybe hook up. Who would have thought? Thought I'd fall in love. When I came on the strip, I didn't expect much.
Stop! I told you.
I thought I'd come here with a bunch of sluts.
Stop. You're making the bed move.
Maybe hook up. Who would have thought? Came to the house on a pool party, and she pulled a big old trick on me. You told me that you weren't just angry. You told me that you were friends with my boss.
Oh, wow, eat the face.
You do this to me. Now I felt like maybe I should play like La La.